Actually, I have to, I talked to Senator Lacson. I'm sure you're going there. We had a conversation yesterday, a good conversation. Kasi nga, may lumabas na ganun. If you recall, yung sinabi ko na we are contemplating, that is based on your question yung last na press call. So siguro hindi lang masyadong mapaliwanag. And kung mababalikan yung interview, yung press ko na yun, sinabi ko, she will be asked kasi nagkaroon ng message kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. So the reason for contemplating, the reason for considering it to be subpoena is not because to know the whereabouts of Senator Bato. It's about doon sa nangyari na sinasabi ni Senator Alan na mayroong conversation sila na gano'n. It's more on looking kung ano yung circumstances na nangyari talaga during the shootout because it's being investigated. At alam naman natin yun nangyari. Dahil parang sinasabi rin ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, she received a message from Mrs. De La Rosa na yung nangyari na shootout gives opportunity na makatakas si Senator Bato at nagpasalamat sa kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano sa pangyayari na yun. So if you will look at that, you have to look at the angle, the motive, kung bakit nagkaroon na ng shootout. It's not asking the wife of Senator De La Rosa for the whereabouts. Kasi you and I know, kung kahit naman alam niya yan, I'm sure hindi naman niya sasabihin sa amin. So doon sa angulo na ninyo. And we talk already. And I respect the position of Senator Lacson. Unang-una, he's giving high regards to the NBI. That is something that we will value. And pangalawa, yung kanyang mga sinabi is sharing his wisdom. That is something also that we can understand and process and can help us to proceed kung ano yung ating direction.
As we speak, sir, may subpoena na po or...
No, we haven't sent a subpoena. No?
Okay.
So actually, sabi ko kay Senator Lacson, it's under consultation.
Okay.
So we'll defer also to the Department of Justice kung ano yung direction nila.
So sorry, diretso na lang